Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I took these Dollar Tree items and turned them into some Valentine's Day decor. If you like videos like this, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button and don't forget the post notifications so you don't miss an upload, and give me a big thumbs up because that helps my channel grow. So let's go ahead and jump right into this DIY. For this next project, you're going to need 2 picture frames and some berry garland from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to show you how I use this picture frame to make 3 easy crafts. So first, what you want to do is go in and pop out the backing. Once you have popped that out, you want to sit that to the side because you'll use that for another project. Next, you want to go in and remove all the little tabs. Once you have removed all of the tabs, then you want to glue the 2 frames together. I chose hot glue to glue my 2 picture frames together, but please feel free to use the glue of your choice. And let me just say a big welcome to all of the new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you to those who've already been living life with Lon. And if you're just stopping by and you're liking this video, I hope that you would consider subscribing to my channel. Next, I took my berry garland and I folded it in half, and then I twisted it together to make a more sturdier piece. Then I started to play around with forming a heart shape. Once I felt like I had the shape of the heart that I wanted, I used the end of the folded piece to push into the other piece to twist together to make the heart stay together. I hope that makes sense. Then I used my hot glue gun to attach the garland to the picture frame. So guys, my glue gun here lately has been like, when I go to pull the trigger on the hot glue gun, the glue will not feed through, so I'm assuming that the mechanism on the inside is messed up. Comment below if that has ever happened to you. It's just the weirdest thing. It just like it would not pull the glue through anymore. Here you can see me having to push the glue through. So guys, you could change this up. You can make it be a 4-window pane, and you can also add words. It's very versatile. You're going to need that backing on that picture frame and that little clip. So now here's that little metal piece I told you sit to the side. What we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to remove that little clip, and then after we remove the clip, we're going to paint it. I chose black for my paint. It is chalk paint, so you can write on it. So believe it or not, this project was not going to end the way it did. I actually had something else in mind for it, but once I used that black chalk paint, I immediately thought this would be really cool to make for a love note sign. So in the process of me helping speed things up by using my blow dryer, I did not press the record button back on my phone. So that part you will not be able to see me reattaching the little metal clasp, but it's really simple to do. You just take a really small screwdriver and reattach that. And then once I reattached the metal clasp, I wrote love notes on the very bottom. I thought this was super cute, and it's so meaningful because you can leave little notes for your family around the house for them to see, and it sits out so they can leave you love notes as well. I had to write over it about 3 times for it to get a true red color. But guys, is this not the cutest thing ever? Moving right along into our last DIY, you're going to need 2 milk crates, a pack of hearts, that little metal thing, and some jute. Next, what I did was use some watered down brown paint to just do a wash over on these, but feel free to do whatever you like. Then I took my glue gun and I hot glued these 2 small crates together. Now I'm grabbing that metal piece that I put to the side because now I want to attach my heart with some jute to the metal piece and then to the crates. So guys, if you're not following me on my social media, head on over to Instagram and follow me Don't leave the video now, but after the video's over, head over to the Instagram and find me. I'm livinglifewithlon_. I think I'm going to take the channel more towards DIYs and organization because I love to organize things and I love to create DIYs too. So I think that's where we're going to go. So comment below and let me know what you guys would like to see from those two categories. So 2020 was a season of growth for me with the YouTube world. I learned a lot of things. I met a lot of new people. And what I want to do is to kind of narrow the channel down. So that's why I'm doing it. I'm not trying to push anybody out who likes the other videos. I just want to narrow it down to two categories. That way I can focus in and provide you guys with better content. Here's what that project looked like afterwards. Super cute. Again, a little farmhouse feel with the crates and the burlap in the middle. And here's an overall view of all of the projects that I made today, crafts, whatever you want to call them. I love them all. I think they're super cute. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.